I truly cannot imagine anyone more bonded than these two. When he leaves in the morning, there's usually a little bit of tears from Maggie.
Did you miss your dad? Oh, don't shake, honey. Are you ready?
So when he comes home from work, she just lights up. And as soon as he makes motion towards sitting down on the couch or a chair, she's got to be right there with him.
Does it feel nice?
Even though she's a beefy little 60 pounds, she has to be on top of you like this warm blanket. It's really hard to imagine that she ever had such a horrible start to life. Maggie was being fostered by a friend of my husband's.
Hi, honey.
From what we know, she was a bait dog in Texas. She just was clearly not very well taken care of prior to her foster home. As soon as he saw a picture of her and heard a little bit of her story, he was sold.
Oh, okay, honey.
Because we have two other dogs, and given her background, we were a little worried about how she would do. But she just made herself at home so quickly, and everybody got along well. She's the youngest of all our dogs, but she still treats them all like her puppies.
Maggie.
She just probably was always craving a nice, safe, squishy place. So we just wanted to spoil her rotten to get her feeling her best self.
What do you got?
And then we thought, okay, she's gonna come out of her shell. She's only 2, she's just a puppy. But Maggie is mostly just happy to be on the couch because she's just such a lazy little potato.
You want to go for a walk?
She's very excited at the beginning of her walk, but very quickly slows down and is ready to turn around, head home, and have another little nap.
Maggie. Come on.
Her favorite place to nap is definitely just on top of my husband. They just have a very nice little slow pace, and she just looks up at him like he's the best thing since sliced bread. We always say that Maggie is just full of good news. If Maggie could, she would have attention 24/7 all day from all people. And yeah, almost everybody says after they pet her, like, oh, I just want to take her home. It's just so hard to imagine her ever having a past where anyone could have treated her in any way but full of love. We feel so lucky that we have her in our house.
Maggie.
She's always kind of been a very relaxed little lady who's enjoying her retirement with us. And we hope that we get so many more years of it for her.